These videos are everywhere right now. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, pulling in insane numbers of views. And chances are, you've already watched one, maybe even all the way through, without realizing why you couldn't look away. I'm talking about renovation and room transformation videos, the kind that turn an empty or outdated space into something stunning in seconds. They're not just satisfying, they're addictive. Once you start watching, it's almost impossible to stop. What's crazy is that some creators posting only these kinds of videos have gained hundreds of thousands of subscribers in just a few months. And here's the part most people don't believe. These videos don't take hours. They don't take days. They don't require any filming, any renovations, or any money at all. No advanced skills, no expensive software, no long learning curve. All you need is a laptop, an internet connection, and the right process. So grab a coffee, sit back, and really pay attention, because once you understand how this works, you'll never look at renovation content the same way again. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create viral renovation and room transformation videos using AI, completely free, even if you're starting from zero. Let's get into it. All right, let's jump into the practical part. The first step is to open ChatGPT. Once you're inside, go to the left panel and click on Explore GPTs. In the search bar, type something like floor transformation or room transformation. You'll see there are specialized GPT tools designed exactly for generating transformation prompts. Click on one to start the chat. When it opens, you'll usually be asked what type of transformation you want to create. For example, a living room, bedroom, kitchen, and so on. For this example, let's choose living room and generate the prompts. Within seconds, you'll get structured prompts for both images and video scenes. Everything is basically done for you. You just need to use them. Now copy the first image prompt and open a free AI image generator like Google Whisk. Start a new project and paste the prompt into the input box. Before generating, go into the settings and switch the aspect ratio to 9:16 if you're creating content for shorts, reels, or TikTok. Click generate, and just like that, your first scene is ready. Download the image. Now here's the important part for consistency. Upload that first image as a reference image inside the platform. This helps the AI maintain the same room structure and perspective for the next transformation step. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the second prompt, paste it into the generator, and create the next version of the room. Download it. Replace the reference image with the new one. Then repeat the process with the third prompt, fourth prompt, and so on. Each step builds on the previous one, creating a smooth, realistic transformation sequence. In just a few minutes, you'll have all the images needed for your time-lapse renovation video. And the best part, you did all of it completely free. As you can see, I've just uploaded the third image. This will now act as our reference image so we can generate the final version of the room. Next, I'll go back to ChatGPT, copy the fourth prompt, and paste it into the prompt field inside Whisk. Now, this part is very important. Make sure the check mark is selected only on the current reference image, not on all the previous images. If multiple images are selected, the AI can mix elements from different stages, and you'll end up with a completely different room. We want the room to stay consistent, same layout, same perspective, just gradually transformed. After a few seconds, Whisk generates the new image. And now, as you can see, we have our final transformed version of the room. Before we move on, don't forget to subscribe. I'll be sharing more videos about how to create viral content and how to make money using AI tools, step by step and beginner friendly. Now it's time to turn our images into actual videos. For this step, you have a couple of great options. You can use tools like Grok AI, which offers free video generation, or Google Veo 3, which is available with a free trial through Google's Pro plan. Let's start with Google Veo. After logging into your Google account with the Pro access, open Google Flow and create a new project. By default, it will be set to text to video, but for this type of transformation, we want to switch it to frame to video. Next, adjust the aspect ratio depending on your platform. If you're creating shorts, reels, or TikTok content, choose 9:16. Now upload your first generated image as the starting frame and your final image as the ending frame. Once that's done, go back to ChatGPT and scroll to the section where the video prompts are provided. Copy the prompt that matches your image sequence and paste it into the prompt field. Click Generate and wait a few moments. The AI will automatically create a smooth transformation video between the two frames. Let's see results. For the next scene, repeat the same process. Upload the second image as the first frame and the third image as the last frame. Then copy the next video prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into the generator, and create the clip. You'll notice that the transitions look very smooth and realistic, especially because all images were generated consistently using reference images. Continue this exact workflow for the remaining images. Upload the next pair of frames, paste the matching prompt, and generate each transformation clip. Quick note, to speed up the creation process for this tutorial, I used the third image as the final frame instead of the fourth one. This makes the transformation video slightly shorter, but the workflow remains exactly the same. If you want the full and more detailed transformation, you can simply follow the normal steps and use all images in sequence until the final stage. Once all your clips are generated, download them to your computer. Let's see final version. Before we move on to the free Grok AI method, I'd like to show you another option. This one requires a small monthly subscription, and it's called OpenArt. The advantage of using OpenArt is that you get access to multiple AI video models in one place, such as Kling, Grok, Veo, and others. This gives you much more flexibility to test different styles, quality levels, and transformation results, without switching between platforms. So if you want more control, more creative options, and the ability to compare different AI models to see which works best for your videos, OpenArt can be a very powerful solution. You will find link for OpenArt in description of this video. Now let's look at a completely free alternative using Grok AI. Unlike some other tools, Grok AI doesn't support setting a first and last frame for transitions, so we'll use a simple workaround to create the transformation effect. First, open Grok AI and go to the left panel. Click on the Imagine option to begin. In the prompt area, click the attachment icon and upload your first image. Once the image is uploaded, Grok will ask for a prompt. At this point, go back to GPT, copy the first video prompt, return to Grok, paste it into the prompt box, and click Generate. After a few seconds, your first video clip will be ready. Now we simply repeat the same process for the next stages. Click on Imagine again, upload the second image, then go back to GPT, copy the second video prompt, paste it into Grok, and generate the video. If needed, you can also add a short guiding line in the prompt to help the AI match the desired result and keep the transformation visually consistent, like, the output should look like this. Also, you can use the image prompt from image 3 to ensure the room looks fully completed and polished, and paste in the same Grok prompt field. Now we can see results. Then, for the next clip, upload image 4 in the Grok, and go back to GPT, copy the third video prompt, paste it into Grok, and generate the video. We can see now how people moving furniture. If you want to present room without people, then upload your final image and use a simple cinematic prompt, such as a top-down drone camera movement, slowly revealing the living room floor transformation, same room layout, realistic perspective, cinematic, and smooth motion. If you don't like top perspective, then insert prompt without beginning with top-down. Click Generate, wait a few moments, and your final video clip will be ready to download. You can see now the second version of final video. And that's the full process of creating a viral renovation transformation video using AI. No expensive tools, no complex skills, just the right prompts, consistent images, and simple video generation. You can use this method for any space, from living rooms to kitchens and floor transformations. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos about AI tools and viral content creation. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.